different options. Although pa rin sa liga ni Arvin Santos.
Sumali naman na si Arvin Santos at may tinuturo pa sa bench ng Alas.
Ito yung huling tira ko si Arvin Santos. Meanwhile, ang foul.
ng Elasto Painters.
Obviously, he knows his history. Look at the eyes. Yeah. Focus on the quarterfinals.
Baka niyan. Tapos ito si Junmar Fajardo. A great rebound. Pero ito, Tantantini! Uli na sana, kaya lang natisod eh.
On the outside, he has a go-to move. He has a power move. Marlon never had a power move.
Wait a minute. It's Dominion wins. Eman Monfort wins the jump.
Galit ang ating official.
Here's Asi. Passing the ball too hard. Tumama sa mukha ni Macmac Cardona.
Again, next 2 days.
Even the Saiwan, hindi lang yung physicality, pati yung itong si Baroka. Mac is definitely back, Tom. Ibang klase yung challenge na yun.
Here's Asi. Passing the ball too hard. Tumama sa mukha ni Macmac Cardona.
PBA player.
It's actually a balloon. There's
Angry Birds pa ata.
someone's gotta get it.
An Angry Bird niya.
Francis Chua.
And Arvin Santos will score.
Both teams battling it out, not giving up on any possession, especially if broken.
Up a play across the jiggy from Big Bo Belga. The presence of
Arvin Santos for the